Butterfly Cottage. I'm Penny and today I'm going to show you how to make beautiful ratatouille, a French classic.
We have aubergine, courgette, red sweet peppers, onion, tomato and garlic. I'm going to add some olive oil, some mixed herbs and some salt and pepper. Come with me as we cook ratatouille.
So you're going to fry the vegetables individually. I always start with the aubergine, take that out, put it in a bowl. Then I do the courgette, take that out, put it in a bowl. You want it so that it's just browning and going soft. You want it in some olive oil and season it with salt. You can add pepper if you like, that's your choice. I only use salt. Then when it comes to the peppers, you fry those with the onions and the garlic, and then when soft, add the tomatoes. So that's the aubergines put to one side while the courgettes cook. This is what I'm kind of looking for. So in with the onions, peppers and garlic, I've added the tomatoes. They've broken down nicely, they're just reducing. And I'm going to add mixed herbs. So you can add whatever you like. I like to add oregano, basil and thyme. What would you add to yours? Don't worry about the burnt bits that were on the bottom from the other vegetables. When your tomatoes break down and you get all the juices, it deglazes it and it all adds to flavour. Okay, so that's all broken down now, the tomatoes and the herbs and everything are mixed in. I'm going to add back the aubergine and the courgettes and they're going to simmer for another 10 minutes. And then by then it should be all ready. Colour, beautiful. And that's our ratatouille ready. I'm going to have mine with a poached egg on top. How do you like yours? This delicious French classic can be eaten hot or cold for breakfast, dinner or lunch. However you have it, make sure you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and ring that bell. Ding-a-ling-a-ling.